Okay, this is a Monday morning, and I'm trying to go to sleep, but yet there's this little monster outside my door trying to get in. Do y'all see this? This is like, okay, this, I know I'm not in Memphis anymore. This is only in Shreveport, Louisiana. Will you see a cat outside of your window and you're living upstairs trying to get in your house? Are you serious? Like, cat, what do you want? And he's just sitting there. Are you serious? This is not going to work. Somebody needs to come get this cat. But, I mean, he is just sitting there. I am not going outside no time soon.